BlackNews Media. This is a famous bar called Perkins Lounge. Let me get that shot of it. That good ass fucking shot. Perkins Lounge. It's been here for, ever since I was a child. Hell, my daddy hung out at this bar. Darnay's right there. And I don't quite understand the whole thing behind it. And I'm about to go up in here and speak to the police and see if I could get an interview, see if I can get some type of footage on camera, something. I mean, check this. I think there's one black person over there. Look at all of them white vampires. And that black person, they're taking pictures. I hope that's the Black magazine. I'm gonna get over here, see if I can get in this shit.
Did they say anything about you doing this? So let's switch.
It's a public way, sweetie. You can do that. It's a public way. It's a public way. How you doing?
Perkins.
Oh, you say, Bob, ain't that what you think about that? My name is BlackLioN, and I do this thing called BlackNews Media, videos, YouTube, whatever. What do you think about that?
Well, one, it happened after the bar closed, and he shouldn't be responsible for what happens across.
Could you expound on what occurred?
Huh?
Well, anybody looking at this don't know what you know.
Somebody got shot last night after the bar closed. So
last night,
putting it on the bar instead of gas station. So
they're putting it on the bar instead of the gas station. Yeah, because at this store, right across the street from the bar, people congregate, hang out, you know, they do what we do. Wow. Well, how you feel about Perkins leaving? It's been here. I was just saying it's been here ever since I was a child. My daddy used to hang out here.
I used to come in here in my 20s, early 20s.
True that.
It was a nice bar, but you know what? Things change, times change, and people change.
But black wealth shouldn't change.
Black wealth shouldn't change, but they also have to take care of their business too.
True that, sister. True that.
If you don't take care of your business, what happens?
Yeah, I'm gonna meet with him, and I'm gonna go see him, and I'm gonna have an interview with him, and I'm gonna put something together.
But why all this? I don't understand.
Well, I always say that they always show up when black people being fucked up. They don't show up when we get prospering.
Right.
They ain't helping us when we rich.
Right.
I was just over at Ritz dealing with same type of issue yesterday, taking interviews, same shit. But I noticed this brother standing right here. This is the son of the great Rashida. You are her son, right? Hey, bro, would you like to introduce yourself for me?
I'm Jay Crawford, and I'm over here checking out the bar situation. You know, I think it's a hit on another black man as far as economics in the community. He creates economics for blacks that he hires. He has at least probably about 6 or 7 blacks that is hired by him, and it's all, I think it's all bad, you know, even though there is crime in the area, but he doesn't project crime. And he doesn't,
I got to say that, I know the man. He doesn't promote it.
He's just a man trying to do a business in a high crime environment. And the Indian establishment over here who owns the gas station.
Those are Africans. Ethiopians.
They has witnessed the people breaking their windows, has witnessed theft, and they have had an actual killing in their establishment tonight. And
last night?
Last night, yeah, last night. It's had a shooting in their parking lot last night, and I guess the person's in the hospital right now. But the bars is taking the flack on it.
Another brother going down. Hey, for the audience, because people don't know who you are and your mother, could you expound a little bit on who your mother is and some of the things you do? Because I know you deal with some music, and just explain a couple things.
I deal with pushes the black movement as far as on a documentary level, and I do have some promote some conscious artists as far as lyrics wise. They have conscious lyrics. I promote that, and promote that out of a restaurant here in Cincinnati, Rashida's Deli, and we have an eating establishment which my mother runs, and carry out establishment which I run, and we're right here in the Evanston community, and we've been in Evanston for about 16, 17 years now.
Yeah, for a long time with some of the best food and the best food. You can't go nowhere and get food like this in this city. Nowhere. And then also served with Black Love. I done been in there with the daughters. I done even been in there and had to wait a long time because it was crowded, man. And I'm glad she moved and got a second business. But people would stand outside and wait because the food is that good and it's healthy.
Right.
And it's healthy. But more than that, it's healthy. Right. It's healthy. And I just saw your mother, and she agreed to do a couple interviews, and I'm going to get to talk to her. I appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm still get on this. I'm going to speak to them Ethiopians. I'm going to speak to these motherfucking fake ass fucking news pirates. I call them news pirates. News vampires. I'm going to get on them too. I appreciate it, brother.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes,
thank you. Thank you, brother. Have a good day. Thank you, sister.
Bye-bye.
They boarding up this shit right now. Look at that. Look at this shit. And look, the contractor's white, and the white man get paid off of shutting down another black business. Look at that. And look, that's that motherfucking reporter right there, bust on. That's his motherfucking ass. I'm gonna get his name. I'm gonna meet with him. He gonna give me some fucking interviews. I don't give a fuck how it's going down. These motherfuckers gonna talk to BlackLioN. That pink lady, that I don't know if that's a man or a woman, but whatever the fuck that is, right there in the white t-shirt, the motherfucking cops, that fucked up haircut with that tight ass hunky suit cracker, we busting on all that shit. It's going down. On that one way, hard grind. The world ain't yours, it's mine.